How to clear cache on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now there are two basic ways of how to clear cache on Android. Now first is the very easiest one. So just go to the settings of your device and then scroll down and tap on apps, then tap on manage apps, and here you'll be given with the app list. So you can just tap on any app that you want to clear the cache of. For example, I'm just going to show you over here. I'm going to show you with the Canva application. Then here you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that. Here you can see the clear cache, then tap on OK, and this way you can clear the cache of this application, and you can choose all the individual app and you can select to clear cache individually. Next, what you can do is you can just go to the Play Store application on your device and then search for the CCleaner application on your device. So just install this and you'll able to clean the storage and also delete the junk and clear the cache on your device. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.